Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, volunteers to my channel, Faisal Azib. I hope that you're well. Today it's very important topic. A lot of person. Why this topic? Yes. Because with this topic, inshallah, all your work that we'll do, inshallah, we'll get revenue. Yes, and you have different way to make the revenue with your application. This one is the simple way is to add the advertising to your application using Admob. What is Admob? Admob is company that is owned now by Google, because before it is not owned by Google, but it was by Google have bought another company. Oops, sorry. Oopala. And now it was managed by Google, and it's very powerful. Okay, all the ads that you can see with Admob or AdSense, because it is sub directory of AdSense. All the ads are real. It is not spam. All for real companies. Okay, if you can see the ads in your application or the website that was dedicated by AdSense or Admob, it is not a fake. It is not spam. I repeat. Okay, so you can let it to have different people that allow you or share with you different information in the website or in the YouTube or in different platforms that use AdSense to make some revenue. If you make a really good application, I repeat, very good application, you can get very high revenue. Okay, it's very important. Just work. The first application, because maybe the second will be the test that I will show you now to create your application. Maybe the test, but try to plan a good application. Maybe you can do it with a different person. Yes, but you must think to make good application if you want to make revenue. It is the very important revenue because it is a passive income. It means sometimes you will work for application, and certain times your application will be known by a lot of persons, that will be downloaded by a lot of persons. It will be used each day. It's very important, this one. It will be used each day by a lot of persons. It means you have the ads will be displayed in your application, and a lot of them will be click in these ads, and with the CPC and with the CPC and another thing. If you can get the click in your ads, boom, good revenue, good thing, and you can sleep. Sometimes, inshallah, that's. I hope this is your goals. You can go to sleep, and you make good revenue. I don't know how many. It depends on your application. It depends on a lot of criteria. How the revenue will be calculated. It depends on a lot of criteria. Or type of ads will be displayed or clicked, or also where these ads will be displayed in different countries. The CPC it's very different of the niche and also the country. So now we show you how to integrate Admob in your application. It's just simple introduction. Yes, it's you have the power. Yes, now yes, power. Huh? You are not motivated to continue to finish your application. I know. Yeah, I make revenue. Yes, but please don't create the application for the revenue. Please. I repeat this point. Also, it's very important. The revenue come back after. The first thing that you must think added in the application is what you will give to the users. How you can help them. You can make the game. If you want to make the game, it's good also. But concentrate in what type or how to add the value in your application, and after this the review will come. Okay, but give good thing, please. Focus on this thing. It's very important. So now, how to integrate Admob? I just come back to my application, and here we close this one, and I will go to the Google and click search this keywords. It is Admob Android Firebase. I repeat, Firebase. Why Firebase? Because Firebase from Google also, and it is very well integrated with Admob. With Firebase, you can get a lot of analytics about ads. So we know how why my apps will not work for now. It's very powerful. I let you to get the details, but I recommend you to use Firebase with Admob. Okay, so here clicking this link. What is it? Firebase.google.com with quick start on the way. Okay, this one. I think I will put this link in the description of the video. And here I will just follow what Google told me to integrate my application as the Firebase. So the first thing I will add this library. Here I will do it manually, not this as before. So I will come back here. I click to my this gather file, and I just choose this one, and I will sync. I hope I don't get an error, because when I do it manually, maybe I can get an error. Huh? I hope it is not the case. Good, I don't have get an error, so let's continue. Now, as you can see, it told me to update my Android manifest. Okay, so I just copy this one. Take Android manifest. What is it? Copy it here. And here it told me I will use the simple application ID, means this string. I copy it here. Good. Let's continue. Now, what he told me? He told me to initialize the apps. So we have different ways with Java or Kotlin. I am in Java, so I just copy past this one, and I come back here. I can do it here. Okay, and so I import this one, and my app ID, it is this one. I copy it and I pass it here. You can create a string. I think it's very powerful to create here in the the values. You can, I think, integrate the value here, and we call this this ID each time you need to do not make copy paste. So let's continue. Where is it? Where is it? Choose add format. I will use the banner. I have a lot of add format. We have banner that you can use a simple rectangle. You have enter TTL. It is like pop-up or full screen. You can see it. Its ad is very good, huh? But don't use it very lot of. We see if you use it a lot of, your account will block it. Don't worry. And your account, I can't create new one. So don't use it a lot of. It's you must learn how to use Admob. Respect the rules. Okay, you have a lot of type, so you choose the banner. And here he told me to add this layout in my main activity. So just go to the main activity. Where is it? There is one. I can add text view, or I can delete it, no problem. So I just added this one. Yeah, but before this, I think I have forgot something. What I have forgot? Ta, 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 ta. Yes, because I must added not updated on time. Absolute X. Where is it? Repeat again. This view is not constrained. It only design type position, so it will jump to 0, 0. Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. Because sometimes we need to add something here in this part. Sometimes. Okay. So I think it's no problem. I will see after when I have an application. So let's continue. Now he told me to add this part of code. Let's go. My activity. I will add it here. Okay, and here I'll just import. Why I don't have it? Good. And that size. Yes, good. So you have my ID of. It is an ID of test. It is just test. If you want your ID, oh yeah, of course you will use ID. I will show you in when I finish the tutorial. Because this ID, all what you will see here, it is the test, only ID for the test. So I will finish the tutorial. Yes, I will test with test ads. Yes, that I have do before. Load and not. No. I think on create, but what I have added this one. Yes, and unit. Okay, I will do also this one in on create. So here I will just make all this. Okay. No, but it is another way. So just remove this. Add view. Yes. So what I thought, why have changed? Why they have changed the tool? Why? I think it's my view, so it means this one I will change it. I will make some change here. This one will be here. Okay. And I will import this one. Maybe look. Why I can't import it? What's the problem with you? Yeah. And this one, it is not view. Good. Now I will run the application. Here what I have to do. Add view, this ID is here, this one. This one. As you can see, it is the ID of your component for your banner ads. And in the tutorial, I think it is not good at 10%, 100%, because I have made some change, because I have used this view, this as view here, just here. Okay, here I have created, and normally I will get this section. I don't use a new ad view. I will just use find view by ID for my ad view. Okay. Maybe I don't have read all the tutorial in details, so I make the change, and here I have created with add request, and I will load it. Okay, so let's see now what we got. If it works or no, I don't know. We will see. Because Admob have made a lot of change. A lot of before you can do it with really quick, really easy. And now Google restrict a lot of things. So let's see, what is it? I think it crashed. The application crashed. Yeah, why? As you can see, the application crashed. Please report to Firebase. Okay, well, I will just remove this one to just get the add, and I will see if it's the same thing or no. I hope it works. I hope. Finished on the where is it? Good. Do you see? Here is the ad. Here is the ad. Of course, we have a click to the ad. We have gone to the Google, and here is the ad. Now it is just a test ad, as you can see. This is 32 test ad. You can implement the next one, for example, as I have said before. You can add the interest detail. Okay, you can do it. It's very important also, etc. And now, how to create your own ad? Because if you implement test ad, you will get nothing. Zero revenue. So to implement your ad, you must create Admob account. Here it's very long. You just follow the process. So just go to the Admob, not on the Admob Firebase, click Admob, and go here. I will put you also the link, and you will just sign in. You will see. Yes, as you can see, you must create. It's very long. I think the same thing with this one. Yes, I don't have Google Ads account. It's going to my Adobe, so you must create Google Ads account. After this, go to Admob and create the accounts. Create your Google Ads account. After this, create your Admob account and follow the tutorial how to add the ad unit. It's very quick. How to add the ad unit. You will see when you access to your Admob. You choose something, the banner, also the sticker, etc. And you retrieve your ID. When you create the banner block or add banner, etc., you will get Admob will give you directly your ID associated. Also, you have an application ID, and you change them in your application. Here you change them here in the scene as you want, or here where I have put it for the application, and here for the ad unit of your banner at the sticker. Okay, I recommend you, and I told you not a recommendation, it's very important. Don't click in your ads. I repeat, don't click in your ads. If you do it, not in test mode, of course, in production mode. If you do it directly after 5 or 10 minutes, at least maximum 1 hour, you will get an email from Google, from AdSense. Sorry, I told you your Google ads account was disabled for 30 days. Okay, so now review until the next month. Don't do it. If you do it, we will flag you. Second time, 60 days. Third, account removed. And to create that account, it is not easy, brothers and sisters. I repeat, don't click in your ads. Of course, you can see them, no problem. It's your application. But don't click. You know, yes, Google know it's you that have created this application, and it's you that click in this ads. It's a very powerful company. Don't play with them. If you work really, if you put your application really without any hack, without any spam, you give good information. Okay, you can make an error. As me, I make a lot of error with my English, as you can see. You can make a lot of no problem. Make an error, you can correct them step by step, no problem. You can make an update. It is not the problem. You have a review, take consequence of the review, etc. And if you do this, the good work, you will get the good review after this. I hope for you and for me, inshallah, also. Thank you, brothers, to have followed this tutorial this moment. In next topic, inshallah, I will show you how to make a local notification. And I have a lot of, I think it's not the last video of this course. Maybe there are 1, 2, or 3, I don't know how many. And we close this course, inshallah, and we start a new course completely, inshallah. I think it's with a new concept. Completely also. See you, inshallah, in the next video. Like this video also. Share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. And goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.